You know what? You know.
Hello guys, it's Kizz TV. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. Before I proceed right into the video of today, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like this video, and also drop a comment. So guys, the video you just watched is Kizz performance at Melbourne yesterday, being the 29th day of October 2022, and the show was blast on blast. As a matter of fact, Kizz has officially made the city as his profile picture on all his social media accounts. You all know how we do it here now. I'll be jumping on Twitter to get a final review of what happened yesterday in Melbourne. Yom said, dropping a hit record feels a little too easy for Kizz. His new challenge in life should be to try drop a jam that wouldn't bang. Dear Africa said, Kizz coughed at his show in Melbourne and thousands screamed, "Hey God, who is your goat again?" Abdul said, Kizz Daniel is arguably the best Afrobeat musician of our time. Olamide said Kizz Daniel is not capable of dropping a bad song. Making sweet music is too easy for him. Certified hit maker. Esosa said Damigbo is just too noisy for my liking. You dey shout my brother is back in full form like Kizz Daniel has ever left. You dey back, they come or not. Kizz Daniel doesn't need you. Celebrate his win and stop all this unnecessary attention. I dey your back, they come Isonu. Sarafina said, you guys, Kizz Daniel's concert was all that. Fun was hard. Kizz Daniel 2022 is not looking so bad anymore. Happy and fulfilled. Pamela said, I love seeing Kizz Daniel pulling big crowds to his shows. Very well deserved and a long time coming. When God says it's your time, nothing can stop it. Another one said, my love for Kizz Daniel knows no bounds. That was the reason I was one of the few that shot him harder when the unfortunate stuff of not showing up for a show happened that time. Thank God he later apologized and opted for the needful. Thank you, Melbourne, for this treat. Vadik said, you want true peace of mind, stand Kizz Daniel and Real Madrid because they are the only people that can help you experience true peace and happiness. Them know the self-made, always giving fans bragging rights. So guys, now let's see as the matter be now. A big shout out to Kizz Daniel, aka Vado, on this one. Meanwhile, if you enjoyed this video from the beginning to this moment, please do subscribe and also like and share this video to your loved ones and friends. And finally, don't forget to tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. See you all on my next video. I'm out. Oh shit.